What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're taking a look at a Nano USB-C charger. So this was sent out to me by Anker, so a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. This is the Anker Nano USB-C charger, 18 watt PIQ 3.0 durable compact fast charger. Power port 3 USB-C power adapter for iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, Galaxy S10, Pixel 4, 3, iPad, Nintendo Switch, and more. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. Price is $17.99. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. You can also get this in a black color for $19.99. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this. All right, so here's some of the features and details. High-speed charging. This is equipped with a USB-C power delivery port and loaded with 18 watts of power to charge phones, tablets, and more, up to 2.5 times faster than the original charger. Unbelievable small. Anker Nano Ultra Compact design is just 1-inch thick, packing 18 watts of power into a device the size of a 5-watt iPhone charger for incredible portability. Universal compatibility. So Anker exclusive power PIQ 3.0 technology supports a wide range of charging protocols to ensure flawless compatibility and optimized charging speeds for virtually any mobile device. Highly integrated technology. So that is it. So let's take a look at the device. The link will be in the description, guys. So here's the packaging. As you guys can see, Anker. I think this is my first time working with Anker. I don't think I've collaborated with them before, but I'm very excited to be working with Anker. Let's get that cut and take a look at this little neat device. Oh, wow. Very small. So you get your paperwork there, and wow, this thing is tiny, man. I've never seen one just quite this small. This is ultra small. So let's get it out of the packaging. So this is 18 watts. You guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description if you guys want to go over and check it out. So there it is. It says PIQ 3. And man, let me tell you. Anker brand in there, and very, I mean small, man. I don't know what to compare it to right here, but this is tiny. So I'm going to go ahead and get this plugged in, and then we're going to test it out and see how it works. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I want to just show you how small this is. Here's another charger that I have. As you guys can see, this thing is tiny, man. Very tiny. You can see the size difference there, and here's another one here. So when I say it's tiny, it's tiny. So we're going to go ahead and try this out charging. So I got an extension cord ran here. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to my Note 20 Ultra. Let you guys see that. So as you guys heard and see, it is definitely charging the phone, as you can see at the top. So that is the Note 20 Ultra. Another one of my favorites. Let's try it with the Microsoft Surface Duo. As you guys can see, it is charging at the top there. Love this phone, man. I love it. And there it is. It's charging. And we're going to try with an iOS device. So let's check out this cable. So this, check this cable out, man. I got a video out for this. This is the Anker cable, and I'll leave the link in the description for this for the video. And let's try it out with my iPad. So let's get the iPad in the picture. So as you guys can see, it is charging the iPad as well. So let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, guys, so this has been a look at the Anker USB-C charger, 18 watt PIQ 3.0. And I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H Tech Review, and I am out.